Hi, my name is Joe Jensen with Tayco Electric and Solar. Today we're going to talk about how long do solar panels last. This is a great question. It's going to depend from one company to the next. And when I say company, I'm really talking about the manufacturer. Within the manufacturers, they have different technologies. So you want to understand with your consultant how the degradation is going to be affecting the panels. Again, we talked about that a little while ago. What that means to you is over time, the product will lose its ability to produce energy. That's called the degradation. So typically what you look at is a 25-year warranty on that degradation. Hopefully, if you choose a quality solar panel manufacturer, they will actually last 40 years or more. That degradation will just continue after 25 years. It's just no longer under warranty. So in a nutshell, it should last between 25 to 40 years.